Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are gonna do a braid out. We are gonna do a chunky braid out with some Carol Daughter products. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, how do you like this video? And let's get into this chunky braid out. So I have done this braid out before. The first time I did it, I just like used old dirty hair because I was going somewhere and my hair was dirty and dry. I was just like, oh, let me re-moisturize it. So I created this chunky braid out. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply my leave-in. I'm using the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Original Leave-In Moisturizer. And I'm gonna use the Carol's Daughter Curl Defining Butter. It is by the Hair Milk line as well. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and then get into doing it. All right guys, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified on my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and apply this leave-in. This leave-in does an amazing job of moisturizing my hair and detangling it. I'm just going through applying it to each section and taking my time to make sure my hair is detangled. I do finger detangle first and then I will go in with a comb later. But overall, I just take my time to apply this to my hair. As y'all can see, my hair is getting curlier and more wavier as I apply this leave-in and as well as shiny. So I love this leave-in. Now I'm gonna go in and section off my hair to how I wanna do it as far as the braid out. But before I do that, since I've let the leave-in sit, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair with this little rack tail wide tooth comb. Go ahead and detangle it, making sure that it's ready to apply the butter that I'm applying. So I do go ahead and apply about a dime size amount of the curling defining butter and rub it through my hand to try to warm it up. Since I have low porosity hair, this is a way for my hair to actually absorb the product efficiently. And as y'all see, I'm also doing the praying hands method to apply the product through and as well as detangling my hair again, just to make sure my hair is smooth and detangled. Then I go in, I section my hair into 3 sections and try to do it as evenly as possible. As y'all see in this section, I didn't do that, but I go ahead and braid my hair very taut, as taut as possible to my scalp. I'm not an expert like on the scalp braider, but I just go ahead and braid it as tight as possible. Don't leave it loose at all, just so we can get that braiding texture when we do take down our hair. So I braid it all the way down, and then I am going to finger coil the end of my hair. All right, so I do continue this process throughout my hair, first starting off with detangling my hair after taking it down from the it just having the leave-in in, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the curl defining butter using the praying hands method and warming the product up, as well as detangling my hair and then going in to braid my hair in 3 individual sections braiding my hair all the way down until I'm able to coil the end. All right, guys, so we are on our last section. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the butter to the entire section of that hair that I am about to braid. Go ahead and using detangling methods and finger detangling methods and praying hand methods to allow the product to absorb into my hair. Yeah, that's basically what I do throughout my whole hair. I think total, I have about I want to say 10 braids in the front and 6 braids in the back. So it's a total of 16 braids that I did end up braiding to create this chunky braid out. Yeah, I love this product and how it applies to your hair. Both the leave-in and the curl defining butter does an amazing job of just allowing my hair to be smooth and shiny, and the braids itself to look so like moisturized. So I really like these two products as far as how they look on my braids right now. So to go to sleep in, we basically wore a satin scarf and a bonnet over it to make sure that if the satin scarf fell off, we still had the bonnet. I did go ahead and do my makeup off camera, and now I'm going to take these braids down. Oh, in addition, I did send under a hooded dryer to help the braids dry faster, especially because I was taking it out the next day. So yes, I'm just taking down my braids. I actually don't apply any oil because the butter has a lot of oil in it. As y'all saw when I was doing my hair, my hands were very like greasy. Not necessarily greasy, but like oily. So I didn't feel like I needed to apply like oil to my hair. As y'all can see on this curl, it's not really that frizzy from me taking the braid out. So overall, I didn't have to apply any oil, which is amazing because that just eliminates another product that I need to use if I don't want to use it. So I did continue this process of taking down my braids on both sides, and both sides of my hair look so good. I am going to separate the curls, but I just wanted to show y'all how my hair looked with me just separating the braids first. So I do continue this process slowly, taking down each individual braid and just seeing how amazing my curls are, y'all. Like, girl, this product did an awesome job of creating this wave to my hair. So I do go in and separate each individual curls. Again, not applying any oil because I feel like the product just has enough oil in it, and I didn't want to weigh my hair down any more than it's already weighed down. So I just went through each piece of the braid and just where my hair naturally separated, that is how I separated my hair. And I just went through and did my hair, and I just love the wavy texture. As y'all know, I love twist outs, but I hadn't found a love for braid outs. But recently, after doing this style, I found a love for braid outs. Like, I'm definitely going to be doing them more often because one, I like the length of my hair and the curl that it creates. Not curl, but like wave that it creates. And I don't get that same style from a twist out. So I really, really love doing this braid out. I don't know if it's because I use the bud unnecessarily or just the type of products, which that could be the case. But my hair just came out so good. As y'all know, I just trimmed my hair, so my hair is kind of looking like it used to. Like the lengthwise, it has so much body, so much movement. I'm just amazed by my hair. I did go in and pick my roots on both sides just to make sure there wasn't any like really defining parts because of how I sectioned my hair when I was doing the braids. But this is my final product and I love it. I love how my hair looks. I love everything about it. And I'm so excited to do my next braid out. But guys, if y'all made it this far in the video and y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And until next time, guys, remember that you look blessed. Bye, guys.